معناها stage كان بشر وانو أن موجنا ماشي عند الشوغو ما دام عندك كي ولا يمانو ولا
Welcome everybody. Thank you for coming to honor and support our council member and candidate for the Congress of the United States for the 3rd District of Ohio, where we all live, Priscilla Tyson. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers of this support event, Anna Shukri Said, Hassan Idris, Deqo Shire, Filsan Mire, Mahmoud Jama, and Amina Omar. Thank you. Tonight, we are here to speak with one of 4 candidates and to support and to stand by Priscilla Tyson, a Central Ohioan, a Buckeye, a long-time Columbus resident. In fact, she was born here, she was raised here, she worked all her life here. Somebody who is very dear to us, and we would like to hear from her. We would like the candidate to hear from us, and just to give a brief review of the seat that Ms. Tyson is running for. This is a new congressional seat. As you may know, every 10 years, the United States conducts a census. And in that census, we review the populations of each state. And I know many of you are US citizens. One advantage of being a new American is that you have to memorize the number of congressional seats that the United States has, the number of senators that the US has, the number of years a Congress person is in office. We know all of those things. So that is an advantage that we as new Americans have. Now, when the populations are counted, we determine how many congressional seats each state gets. Unfortunately for the state of Ohio, we have lost 2 congressional seats because of the last census. And that is because our population has not grown as much as some other states. For example, the state of Texas has grown so much that it has gained 4 congressional seats. So it had 4 additional seats, while we lost 2. Now, the population can grow in several ways. It can grow through immigration. When we come here, we make this state more important because we add value, we add votes, we add numbers. And that is very important for the state and its power within the United States. Now, so a redistricting plan had to be done for the remaining seats. And 1 new district has been created here in Central Ohio, and 4 candidates are running. I have the honor of knowing all 4 of them. Priscilla Tyson is a very brilliant, very dedicated, very solid leader within our community. For the past several years, I had the honor of watching Priscilla's work at the city of Columbus. As a graduate student at Ohio State, I attended a hearing in which she was resolving an issue that involved a historic district within Columbus, the Old Beechwood Historic District, where there was a dispute that was there for about 25 years. Many council members before her tried to solve it. They could not. Many people. It went to the courts, it went to the law offices, it went to the federal government, it went everywhere. And finally, the candidate who is with us tonight, Ms. Tyson, was able to resolve the issue and get it done. We hope when she goes to Congress to represent us, she will be able to resolve more issues, more contentious issues that the other Congress people, members of Congress, were not able to solve before her. With that, I would like to call on our first speaker, Ambassador Abdikarim Ali Omar, the last ambassador of Somalia to the United States. Welcome.
Thank you, Jibril. Ms. Tyson, I don't actually know you that much, but if I get cues from the people who know you, seems to be that you're shooting for the election. So I say welcome. I don't want to make a long speech. I just want to express our appreciation that you are here, and we hope that you can earn our support. We as a community, the Americans, particularly the people of Central Ohio, feel that we're all refugees and we draw SSIs, kind of aid from the government. I want to just let you know that the Somalis have 300 businesses. You have here professionals, academicians, business people who contribute to the economy of Central Ohio, and for that matter, state of Ohio greatly. We, although we're the newcomers, we are going to vote for the issues. We like you, you're nice, you're intelligent, but although we want to give our support, but at the same time, you have to actually sell your ideas to us. So we'll be supportive, not only on the primary, but in the election. Inshallah, we win. Having said that, we feel that the preponderance of Somalis do vote Democratic. Sometimes the Democratic Party takes Somalis for granted. They think that we have nowhere else to go. But we do. So I want to let you know, take this message to the DNC, or Democratic National Committee, and others, that we will vote. We will give our support and we'll vote. We have a sizable vote, with over 30,000 people who are becoming US citizens every day. We will vote the issues. We have a lot of issues. Just to mention a few, the primary or pressing issue that we have is Hawala. The United States government, I don't know who gave them the idea, the administration, and the Attorney General, Mr. Holder, is not really doing enough for us in terms of Hawala, or remittances, if you will. The policy of the United States is virtually consigning about 2-3 million Somalis to die because they are stopping the only lifeline they have. So we hope that if you do become a congressman that represents Central Ohio, then you will take that to Washington and resolve that issue, because that's very important to us. Anybody who supports of that, we will support them. The other issues that we have, Somalia is facing a lot of problems. The country is riddled with problems. We hope that the policy of Mr. Obama and the United States government will be one that actually allows Somalia to come out of the darkness and have the ability to actually reconstruct Somalia as a viable nation. So if you're a congressman, I hope that they will assign you Committee on African Relations, so you can do something about that too. So in conclusion, we welcome. We will listen to you. We will see your ideas, and we're open-minded, and we hope that you will win the round.
Thank you very much, Ambassador Abdikarim, for those clear remarks. Now, I want to acknowledge the presence of voters, citizens, Central Ohioans from other countries, other African countries, including Ghana. Thank you for joining us today. the vote of the Somali community, the African community, and the Muslim community in Central Ohio is very powerful. This is a primary, and as you may know, not many people will vote. Only those who have an interest in the candidates will come out to vote. And I'm confident that the Somali community will turn out in large numbers and vote for a candidate. Now, this is what will follow. We have 4 people, all of them Democrats, running for the primary. One of them will be elected. The one that comes out successful will face other candidates from other parties, from the Republican Party or a Libertarian or some other people. Now, one thing that's for sure is that whoever wins the Democratic primary is going to be the next person who will go to Congress. And we, the Somali, the African, and the Muslim community, have a huge power in making that person Priscilla Tyson here. Our next speaker, let me acknowledge that first, that these are the leaders, the opinion shapers, the activists, the business people, the people who design the direction this community takes. So winning the support of this group is very vital. And Okay. Now let me call one of the organizers, Mahmoud Jama, to say a few words. Mahmoud, welcome.
Thank you, Jibril. I want to thank you all for coming here tonight. And it has been a pleasure to be able to bring all of this crowd together for Priscilla Tyson. And just it didn't happen, we didn't just take the job to bring you all together without a reason. This happened for a reason. First thing that happened was a group of Somali intellectuals met and did some screening for the candidates. We met all 4 candidates and we made an interview, and when we interviewed, we asked them what they can do for the Somalis, what they have done for the Somalis prior to this campaign, and we figured out and we selected Councilwoman Priscilla Tyson, the future Congresswoman, our candidate, our voice in the Congress, to be the one that could represent us, and that deserves to get our voice. And we bring you together here tonight to hear from her when she gets her time, what she can do for us. And as Hassan Omar mentioned, that or requested that Priscilla Tyson hire someone in the district, in Columbus City, to represent the Somalis. And without him even prior Hassan's request, Priscilla Tyson had made a decision and promise